Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my top 10 must-have home organization products for 2024. These are game changers that have helped me keep my own home clutter-free, and I know they'll do the same for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips on maintaining an organized and stress-free home. First up, we have stackable storage bins. These are perfect for maximizing vertical storage in closets, pantries, and garages. I personally love using clear bins so I can see the contents without opening them. It's especially handy in the pantry or kids' rooms. Next, over-the-door organizers. These are lifesavers in small spaces. I have one in my bathroom for toiletries and another in my kitchen for pantry items. Look for adjustable ones with pockets or shelves. They can hold a variety of items. Drawer dividers are a must. They keep everything from utensils to office supplies neat and easy to find. I use adjustable dividers so they fit different drawer sizes and can be rearranged as my storage needs change. Rolling storage carts are another versatile solution. I use one in my kitchen as a coffee station and another in my bathroom for toiletries. Choose one with multiple tiers and baskets to keep everything organized and accessible. Vacuum storage bags are a game changer for bulky items like bedding and winter clothes. They compress items, saving tons of space in my closets. Don't forget to label each bag with its contents so you can find things easily when it's time to unpack. Wall-mounted shelving units are fantastic for keeping surfaces clear and maximizing vertical space. I have them in my living room for books and in my bathroom for toiletries. Choose shelves with a mix of open and closed storage to display decor while hiding clutter. Lazy Susans are perfect for organizing hard-to-reach areas like corner cabinets or deep pantry shelves. I use them in my fridge for condiments and in my pantry for spices. They keep everything easily accessible and prevent items from getting lost in the back. Cord management solutions are essential for keeping electronic cords neat and tangle-free. I use cord clips and cable boxes behind my TV and under my desk. Look for solutions that blend with your decor for a seamless look. A label maker is a must-have for keeping everything clearly identified and organized. I use it to label bins, drawers, and shelves. Waterproof labels are great for bathrooms or kitchens to prevent smudging. Finally, multifunctional furniture is key to a clutter-free home. I have an ottoman with hidden storage and a bed with built-in drawers. These pieces fit my decor style while offering plenty of storage for blankets, books, and other essentials. By incorporating these products into your space, you can create a more efficient, clutter-free environment that's easier to maintain and more enjoyable to live in. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home organization content. See you next time.